Welcome to spmathsolutions similar triangles exercise 8.4. In this video we have to learn solutions for third and fourth problems. See here, third problem, prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. What are given? Equilateral triangle is given. Draw an equilateral triangle ABC. We know that equilateral, which means the lengths of the 3 sides of the triangle are equal, and also 3 angles are equal, which means each angle is equal to 60 degrees. Lengths of the each side is equal, that's why we have to say, let us say the length of the side is equal to A units. AD be the altitude of triangle ABC, which is height of the triangle H units. Let us say AD is equal to H units. Solution, we have to write the given data. Given that triangle ABC, an equilateral triangle, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Each side of triangle ABC is equal to small a units. Let us say each side is equal to small a units because it's an equilateral triangle. AD be the altitude of triangle ABC, which is H units. To prove 3 times the square of any side, 3 times the square of any side, square of side A square 3 times, 3 into A square is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude, altitude H, square of the altitude H square, 4 times the square of altitude, which means 4H square. Had to prove 3A square is equal to 4H square. See here, AD is perpendicular to BC. AD divides the triangle ABC into two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Now I have to check the similarities of these two triangles. See here, in triangle ABD, angle B 60 degrees, triangle ADC, angle C 60 degrees. Since triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, AD perpendicular to BC, that's why angle ADC 90 degrees and also angle BDA 90 degrees. Angle D is equal to angle D. In triangle ABD and triangle ADC, we have two angles are equal. That's why we have to equal the angle A is equal to angle A by angle sum property. By angle sum property, we have to equal the remaining angle in two triangles. Angle A is equal to angle A. Angle BAD is equal to angle DAC. Angle A is equal in both two triangles by angle sum property. For angle A is equal to angle A. Corresponding 3 angles are equal in both two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ADC. See here, we have AB is equal to AC and AD is common in both two triangles, angle A equal. Side angle side, side angle side by SAS congruency. These two triangles are congruent. We have to write a triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC. Side AB is equal to AC and also AD is common in both two triangles. Angle A is equal in both two triangles. Side angle side congruency. These two are congruent. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC. See here, in these two triangles, corresponding 3 angles are equal. Corresponding 2 sides are equal. AB is equal to AC and also AD is common. That's why we have to equal the BD is equal to DC. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. That's why we have to equal the BD is equal to CD. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal in triangle ABD and triangle ADC. From the given data, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Each side is equal to small a units. Here BC is equal to small a. BD equal to CD. That's why BD is equal to half a and CD is equal to half a. Half part of the BC. BD is the half part of the BC and CD is the half part of the BC. I have to take triangle ABD is a right angle triangle at D. By using Pythagoras theorem, we have to write hypotenuse square AB square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, AD square plus BD square. Have to substitute the AB in place of AB small a and in place of AD small h, and also BD is half a. Now a square is equal to h square plus a square by 4. Now a square minus a square by 4 is equal to h square. Here LCM is 4. 4 into a square. 4a square minus a square is equal to h square. 4a square minus a square is equal to 4 into h square. Therefore 3a square is equal to 4h square. మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాల్సింది ఇదే కదా. 3 times the square of the any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. 3a square is equal to 4h square, hence proved. See here, next problem, fourth one. PQR is a triangle right angle at P and M is a point on QR such that PM perpendicular to QR. See here diagram. PQR is a right angle triangle at P. M is any point on QR and PM is perpendicular to QR. PM divides the whole triangle PQR into two triangles, triangle PMQ and triangle PMR. In these two triangles, angle M is 90 degrees. Show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. Solution, first we have to write the given data. Triangle PQR is a right angle triangle at P. Angle P is equal to 90 degrees and PM perpendicular to QR. To prove, what we have to prove? PM square is equal to QM into MR. See here, the perpendicular line PM is divided the whole triangle PQR. PM divide the whole triangle PQR into two triangles, triangle PMQ and triangle PMR. Now we have to check the similarities of triangle PQR and triangle PMR. Let us take triangle PQR and triangle PMR. See here, in these two triangles, triangle PQR, triangle PMR, R is common, angle R is common, that's why I have to write angle R is equal to angle R. And also triangle PQR is a right angle triangle at P, that's why angle P 90 degrees, PM perpendicular to QR, angle M is equal to 90 degrees in triangle PMR, that's why I have to equal the angle P and angle M. Angle R is equal to angle R and angle P is equal to angle M. Corresponding two angles are equal in triangle PQR and triangle PMR. By angle similarity criteria, we have to write triangle PQR similar to triangle PMR. This is the first equation. Now we have to take another two triangles, triangle PQR and triangle PMQ. PQR triangle and PMQ triangle. These two triangles, Q is common, angle Q is common, that's why we have to write angle Q is equal to angle Q. Again, angle P 90 degrees, right angle triangle, triangle PQR. By given data, triangle PQR is the right angle triangle at P. Angle P 90, angle M 90, PM is perpendicular to QR. Therefore, angle P is equal to angle M. Corresponding two angles are equal. By angle similarity criteria, we have to write triangle PQR similar to triangle PMQ. The two triangles are similar to the whole triangle from 1 and 2. Triangle PMQ similar to triangle PQR and triangle PMR similar to triangle PQR. From 1 and 2, we have to write triangle PMQ similar to triangle PMR. By transition property, we have to write triangle PMQ similar to triangle PMR. See here, we have theorem 8.7 to match the given data with this statement. Theorem 8.7 statement is, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right angle triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on both sides of the perpendicular The triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. థీరం 8.7 స్టేట్మెంట్తో మనకి గివెన్ డేటా మ్యాచ్ అవుతుంది. ఒకసారి చూడండి. పర్పెండిక్యులర్ విచ్ మీన్స్ పిఎం ఈజ్ ఎ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ కదా. పిఎం ఎక్కడి నుంచి డ్రా చేసాం? రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ది వర్టెక్స్ పి నుండి హైపోటెన్యూస్కి డ్రా చేసాం. పి టు క్యూఆర్ వరకు డ్రా చేసాం. చూడండి, రైట్ యాంగిల్ దగ్గర నుండి రైట్ యాంగిల్ వర్టెక్స్ నుండి హైపోటెన్యూస్ క్యూఆర్కి పిఎం డ్రా చేసాం. అయితే ఆ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఉన్న ట్రయాంగిల్స్, పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ మనకి ఏమున్నాయి? ట్రయాంగిల్ పిఎంక్యూ, ట్రయాంగిల్ పిఎంఆర్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ టూ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ సిమిలర్ టు ద హోల్ ట్రయాంగిల్. ట్రయాంగిల్ పీక్యూఆర్కి సిమిలర్ అని చెప్తున్నాడు. ట్రయాంగిల్ పీక్యూఆర్ సిమిలర్ టు ట్రయాంగిల్ పిఎంక్యూ, ట్రయాంగిల్ పీక్యూఆర్ సిమిలర్ టు ట్రయాంగిల్ పిఎంఆర్. మనకి ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ వచ్చినవి అవే. అండ్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్ ట్రయాంగిల్ పిఎంక్యూ ఈజ్ సిమిలర్ టు ట్రయాంగిల్ పిఎంఆర్. ఫ్రమ్ 1 and 2 1-2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ ద్వారా చెప్పచ్చు, ఆర్ థీరం స్టేట్మెంట్ యూజ్ చేసి చెప్పచ్చు. ట్రయాంగిల్ పిఎంఆర్ సిమిలర్ టు ట్రయాంగిల్ పిఎంక్యూ అని. సిమిలర్ కాబట్టి కరస్పాండింగ్ సైడ్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ రేషియో పాయింట్ తీసుకొని కరస్పాండింగ్ సైడ్స్ రేషియో రాసుకోవడానికి మనం ఈ టూ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ సపరేట్గా డ్రా చేసుకుందాం. ట్రయాంగిల్ పిఎంఆర్ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఎట్ ఎం, అండ్ ఆల్సో QMP is the another triangle right angle at M. I have to write the corresponding sides ratio. PM divided by QM is equal to MR divided by PM is equal to PR divided by QP. Now I have to take PM divided by QM is equal to MR divided by PM. Cross multiplication. After cross multiplication we have to write PM into PM is equal to QM into MR. PM into PM, PM square is equal to QM into MR. మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాల్సింది ఇదే కదా. PQR is a right angle triangle at P, and PM is perpendicular to QR. Then we proved PM square is equal to QM into MR, hence proved. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ ఆల్సో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.